In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know 3 important things you should know before you start taking honey packs. I'm sure you guys have seen honey packs all over, whether it be social media, TikTok, Instagram, and I'm gonna let you guys know 3 crucial things that you should really think about before you actually start taking a honey pack. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Number 1, when should you take a honey pack? So people will ask, okay, at what point before you get into, your little fun, sexy time, do you actually need to take a honey pack? Should you take it the night before? Should you take it 6 hours before? What I found to be the best amount of time is taking it 30 minutes to an hour before you know you're gonna get into that time. You don't have to worry about taking it a couple hours before, and you can take it with or without food on your stomach. So it's fine if you didn't eat that day and you don't have any food in your stomach, you can still take a honey pack and it won't make you sick or anything. Or if you have eaten before, it's not like some of the pills where they won't work, like they won't be as effective. It will still be as effective even if you have food in your stomach. Keep in mind, guys, that arousal is still required. With any type of men's sexual enhancer, it's not like you just take it and it's a magic, like instant pill. Like this isn't Viagra or anything. You still have to actually be attracted to whoever the person is you're engaging in the sexy time with. So if it's your partner, if it's just a hookup, arousal is still required. Number 2, how long does it last? So how long do honey packs last? And actually on the back of it, guys, I'll read out to you what it says. So the directions say take 1 packet every 2 days as needed. So on the directions of this, it's saying that it'll last basically for 2 days. But I will let you guys know from my personal experience from using honey packs, different brands, they're all about the same, but different brands, but especially the VIP Royal Honey brand, which is the one that you want to be going towards ideally. I've noticed that it lasts anywhere from about 2 to 4 hours, guys. So basically, yeah, you take it like 30 minutes before sexy time. So it lasts 2 to 4 hours. It stays in your body for that whole time. So it's not like, okay, say if you're engaging in sexy time and you finish, it's not like it's done. Like you can actually go multiple rounds sometimes, just depending on your personal body chemistry and how you react to the honey pack. But yeah, I've gone multiple rounds off of it. It's helped me bounce back quicker. So I will say though, it kind of peaks out and maxes out around like the 4-hour mark. So just keep that in mind. And the third thing you should know about honey packs is, can you split the packet? Or can you take multiple honey packs if you want to? And the answer to that, guys, is yes, you can split the packet. So say if it was your first time ever trying a honey pack, I would say it would be smart to split this packet, take half of it first. So don't take the full thing at first. You can open it at the end and just like take half of it, because it's like, it's honey. It's like, it feels like jelly. So you take half of it, fold it up, save the half for later. That way you can also see how your body personally responds to it. It doesn't have like any I don't think you would be allergic to anything in here unless you're actually allergic to honey itself. But yeah, see how your body reacts to it. Make sure you don't have any side effects. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, I have other videos reviewing honey packs in depth, and I go over some of what those side effects are. But yeah, just take half to kind of gauge like how it affects your body the first time that you try it. The second part of that is, could you take more than 1 honey pack if you wanted to? So say, guys, if you wanted to have like a wild night and you were really trying to, get to the business and be in there, yes, you could take more than 1 honey pack. I've actually taken 2 honey packs at once before, guys, and it has helped me some. I'm not going to say it was too much of a difference from just taking 1. If anything, maybe I felt more of the side effects, like a little bit of a headache or red eyes a little bit, but you could actually take more than 1 and you don't have to worry about like, overdosing or anything. This is all natural, so you don't have to worry about anything bad medically happening to you. You'd be totally fine taking 2 honey packs. So comment down below, what's you guys' experience been with honey packs? Are you thinking about getting on it? I've used them. I feel like it's best saved for like special occasions. So like the first time with a new girl, or if you and your lady are gonna have like a really special night or special date night or anniversary, I would say don't use honey packs all the time. But comment down below what your experience has been. If you guys liked today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications, because I do post videos like this every single day. And if you guys resonated with this video and you want to learn more, if you want to have a full review of honey packs, check out this video over here of me going over it. I love you guys, and I'll speak with you very soon. I'll see you tomorrow.